Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Vienna, Austria, and I'm at Palais Liechtenstein. And it was built in, you see the sign up there? 1698, Palais Liechtenstein. Let's go inside and walk around. Let's do it. And so it's got this big gate and stuff, and it's got wording in non-English, and I don't think the building itself is open, but the outside is open. It's got this palace gate thing. Wow. Get out of here. Is that amazing? Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's amazing. Okay. Wow, wow. I'm trying to get my camera out and get a good, nice picture of that. Okay, cool. So let's see. Liechtenstein Park. So this tells you where you go in at. So here's the palace itself, and then it's got a whole park around it. And it looks like the palace itself is closed. Wow. But the grounds are open. Very cool. Huh. And little statues on top. I guess I'm going to have to come back and go inside, but I'll give you a preview of what the outsides look like. How's that sound? So is this a teaser video? Med L. I asked the guy on the way in here, and he said it was made by the Liechtensteins, and it was really amazing gardens, but wow. Huh. Well, look around. I'll try to spin a little slower. We don't want people throwing up, but you can see there's statues all over the top of the walls the whole way. That's pretty cool. Wow. And the gardens in the pictures look really actually big, so let's see what it looks like back here. You know, it's funny, I was just walking around doing that Vienna power thing and ended up here. Wow. And kids playing. Neat. Oh, and they're doing an exercise class here with like stretchy bands. Come to the palace and do exercise class. That's funny. That's why all the kids are playing close. Huh. Wow. You control the bands. There must be English people here too. Wow. That's amazing. Look how big that tree is. That is enormous. Very cool. Huh. Neat. I wish I could see inside the windows, but I don't think, even if I stand up on that bench, let me try it. Oi. Nope, it's a reflection. I tried. Well, I think this is one of those things I'm going to have to come back to, because this is, it's neat. And look at the playground for the kids. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. And I didn't even know this was here. Had not a clue. Wow. You know, and the whole city's grown up right around it, which is kind of interesting too. Huh. Look at the buildings around it. And it's a nice, beautiful, gorgeous, sunny day. Very cool, everybody. Let me get to the front and do a final shot, and then I'll call this a quickie. Well, a quick video. We don't want to call it a quickie and offend anybody. Well, hell, I guess I'm pretty used to offending everybody, so. That wasn't me. Anyway, let's get up here and I'll do the front shot. I like the shady spots. Pretty amazing. Wow, I can't wait to come back. Very cool. Very cool. Thanks for coming, everybody. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, this is the like initial palace, the entryway palace, but back here is the Grand Palace. And that's what we're gonna go look at too. So, and I was thinking that I thought this was it, but it looks like there's a bunch more back here. And it looks like on a sign there was like 25 bucks to get into this palace, the initial palace, and then $29 to get into the Grand Palace. And this is the Grand Palace back here. And I think it's better. Much better, I guess. We'll see. Wow. It looks like it is so far. Huh. And there's water on the ground. You know what that means. Means I don't need a car. Wow. Look at that. Hang on one second. I'm going to go over here and look at this. It looks like the main walkway's that way. But I think I want this picture here. To see if we can get the reflection. Wow, look at that. That is enormous. Wow. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Neat, neat, neat. Okay, let's go this way. Stay off the grass. Yeah, I'm sorry, I gotta run across the grass. Wow, this is huge. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's amazing. Huh. You know, just so everybody knows, I'm not a huge reader. And so probably on the sign it probably said something about this, but I didn't catch it. And it looks like they need to do some yard maintenance, but wow, that is huge. Wow, wow. Wow. Is that crazy? Wow, wow. It goes all the way over there and all the way over here. Yeah, oh my. Wow, that noise you hear is my camera going off, and I can't turn it down when I'm taking pictures. Wow. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to come back because this is absolutely worth I think seeing. So anyway, well, again, I said this was a teaser, what did I call it? Oh, a quickie shot, but now it's turned into a much bigger quickie shot than anticipated. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Okay. Anyway, I will come back. Bye, everybody.